Me need 3 fork, 2 food week, dog. 12 spliff a roll for the day when me feel calm. But if me no feel calm, do the maths real fast. Vibes kitchen and the place where me speak on. Cook, give me an any boy. Me can't.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For this video, I'm going to be making rice and peas on the stove top. Before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So right here I have a cup of peas, and the first thing you want to do is go in and remove these halves right here. So little pieces like this, you want to go in and remove those. Now we're going to wash the peas, okay? So you just add about this much water and you're going to wash it about 2 times. Alright, so as you can see, after washing it twice, the water is clear. So now we're going to add about 3 cloves of garlic. Alright, so at this point, you're just going to put this on the stove and bring it to a boil. One thing I forgot to add, when you're making rice on the stove top, you want to use a pot that's not too thin because your rice will burn easily. Alright, so now that it's boiling, notice all the peas is on top. You're going to add some cold water, and that's going to sink all the peas to the bottom of the pot. And now you're just going to cover again and bring it to a boil. Alright, so now that it's boiling again, you're going to turn this off and leave it covered for about 2 hours. Then I'll come back and show you the rest of the process. Okay, so the peas was sitting for about 3 hours. So now what you want to do is pretty much just turn your stove on and let the peas boil to the point that it's cooked. So the peas is almost cooked, so I'm going to go ahead and add some coconut milk. I'm also going to add some scallion, some thyme, and some Scotch bonnet pepper, as well as I'm going to season the pot. So I'm first going to add some Maggi chicken seasoning, not too much. Then I'm going to add a little bit of Creole seasoning. Also some salt. And then from here you're just going to taste. I'm going to add a little bit of brown sugar. Just a little bit more. That should be good enough. Give it a taste. A little bit more salt. About this more sugar. Okay, perfect. So now we're just going to cover again and allow it to keep cooking. Alright, I'm going to add some butter to the pot and just cover again. Alright, so peas is done cooking and rice has been washed, so now we're just going to go ahead and add it to the pot. And I'm just going to remove some of the water because I don't want the rice to be too soft. You can add some water back in if you have to. Make sure you have your stove on a low setting. So right now I have mine on 3, You don't want it too high because your rice will burn easily. Okay, so as you can see, the rice is not completely done cooking. As you can see, it needs to cook a little bit more, but I'm not going to add any more water because that will make it too soft. So what I'm going to do, you can add a bag or some aluminum foil on top of the rice and just add a little bit of water on it. And that will allow the rice to steam. And just add a little bit of water on the aluminum foil like so. Cover and just put it on a low setting and allow it to steam. Alright, so there you have it. Rice and peas. Well, stovetop rice and peas. So if you don't have an instant pot, here you go. Hope y'all like this video. Again, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can get notified whenever we upload a new video. Until next time, peace out.
Right, Vibes Kitchen are the place where me there now. We get the nicest food when the fire out. The pepper hot, God know what a bread